this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's Call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Atlanta Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a black Jeep Compass, Georgia license tag CSL 5977. On April the 16th, 2022 at 11 a.m., Pierre Labin, age 11, a black male, was abducted by a 42-year-old black male born July the 24th, 1979, named Clady Duke Rhodes. This child is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Pierre Labin, Clady Duke Rhodes, or the black Jeep Compass Georgia license tag CSL 5977, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.